So I'm often called upon to speak to a variety of audiences on legal topics. And why do people pick me as the speaker? Well, I engage with the audience. It's not a canned speech, stand at the front of the room and run through a bunch of PowerPoints. It's interactive. I talk to the audience talks to me. We get to know each other, and I tailor the presentation to their particular needs and what is on their mind.
Under federal law, you either have to be registered or exempt, so you have two categories in the world. Registration is usually very onerous, requires meeting various SEC requirements, preparing detailed financial statements, disclosure documents, which can be quite lengthy. Your other option is exemption, so you find a way that you don't have to comply with the registration requirements under securities law.
Also, the speeches are relevant to business owners. They are called from our experience as a law firm. The things we're seeing day to day in advising our clients are the very material that goes into the preparation of our speeches.
People copy and paste these LLC documents all the time, right? Everybody runs to the internet. Oh, I need an LLC. They Google LLC agreement, they run the LegalZoom, and they pull a document down, they type their name in there, type their ownership in there, and say, great, I've got an LLC agreement, I'm good to go.
Business partnerships is a common topic, and the issues embedded in forming a business partnership and making sure it's done correctly. But not just a theoretical discussion, a practical discussion of how to get it done, how to create a business partnership that works, and how to create value for the owners.
It's very advisable to have an entity. A partnership is your default. If you have multiple people going on and doing a business together, you are a partnership. One person, sole proprietorship, two or more people, partnership, unless you do something otherwise.
Also, we talk about liability of business owners and going beyond just a simple idea of just forming your business and filing with the state. How do you actually make sure the owners have liability protection? How do you run your day-to-day affairs to make sure that whatever you're doing in your business does not bleed over and impact your personal assets?
You have partner A, partner B. Partner B goes out and has an accident with the car. Partner A's, all his assets are on the line. Full exposure, no limits. That's what happens if you don't form an entity.
Another common topic we talk about is contract negotiation and drafting. These boring documents shoved in the file drawer can be very meaningful to the business. It's always interesting to work with an audience of business owners and see what issues they're facing in their contract negotiations and unique issues for their industries, and craft solutions together that work to meet those needs.
I've seen more than a couple situations where we get into a deadlock in business, typically 50-50 owned businesses, 25, 25, 25, 25. Anywhere we get a situation we can have half the people going in one direction, half the people going in another direction, kind of situation we can have a deadlock. And what happens in a deadlock? Business stops.
Another issue we talk about is capital raising, a very fluid and changing area of the law. I've spoke to the Wall Street Journal about this in one of their recent articles, and we also talk to audiences live and interactive about this very interesting and compelling topic.
A lot of early stage companies go out and raise money, don't think about this. There's a mistaken belief that there's a friends and family exemption, which when we talk about the exemptions in a bit, there's no specific definition for friends and family. No specific exemption for friends and family. So just because you're doing a small round or a small company doesn't mean you're exempt from securities law.
I speak to business audiences of business owners and business leaders, also professionals, sometimes lawyer conferences or accounting conferences or other professional trade organizations. I enjoy speaking, and I look forward to speaking with and informing your group in the near future. Thank you.